The potential difference of a voltaic cell can be measured with the Fluke multimeter. In order for the multimeter to function properly, it must be connected the right way. Your kit should include the following: one Fluke multimeter, one red wire, one black wire, and one power adapter for electrolysis. This part of the lab will be done later, and you won't need it at this time. To begin setting up the multimeter for the voltaic cell part, first, plug the black wire to the common ground position on the front panel. This position is indicated by the abbreviation COM. Next, plug the red wire into the voltage position. This is indicated by a capital V. In order to obtain a correct reading for the voltaic cell, the clips attached to the end of the black and red wires must be cleaned. This can be done with emery paper. Emery paper can be obtained from your TA. You are now ready to connect your multimeter to the voltaic cell. First, connect the alligator clip connected to the black wire to the electrode which is in the porous cup. Next, connect the alligator clip connected to the red wire to the electrode located in the beaker. Finally, we are ready to measure our cell potential. Turn the dial clockwise to the second voltage position. This is indicated by a capital V beneath a solid line above a dotted line. Press the yellow button until the screen reads DC and volts.